Hey everyone, welcome back to A Tech Grow. If you're a cloud developer or someone building on AWS, today's update is big news you'll want to know. Let's dive in. AWS has just announced a major step forward for developers. They're now providing an official source for AWS API model definition files and service model packages. And the best part? It's open source. That's right. AWS is now publishing daily updates of these API models straight to a public GitHub repository, and not just in any format. They're using the Smithy format, which is AWS's own open-source interface definition language. Now you can access the same service model definitions that AWS uses internally to power their own live services. This means a more consistent, transparent, and developer-friendly experience when working with AWS APIs. But it doesn't stop at GitHub. These service models are also being published to Maven Central. That's right, Java developers rejoice. You can now pull these packages directly into your integrated development environments. And what can you do with them? A lot, actually. First, they're perfect for mock testing. You can simulate how AWS services respond without spinning up real resources. Second, they help with evolving MCP server needs, which is especially useful for teams building custom solutions that need to mirror AWS behavior. And third, you can use Smithy code generators to generate your own custom SDKs, tailored exactly to your application's needs. This move really opens up a ton of possibilities for toolmakers, cloud engineers, and SDK developers. It's a big win for the AWS developer community. Want to check it out? Just head over to the official GitHub repo or search for the packages on Maven Central. And for a deeper dive, be sure to read the AWS News blog post. They've got all the details there. So that's today's update. AWS is giving you the tools, the models, and the access to build better, test smarter, and ship faster. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment below, what will you build with these new AWS service models? Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding in the cloud.